To highlight the craftsmanship of your deck and leave a lasting impression on your guests, Aurora Deck Lighting offers one of the largest selections of post caps and lights on the market. Their expansive collection of products include low voltage, solar, and some line voltage lights, each a fantastic way to illuminate and add safety to your outdoor space. Transform a good deck into a breathtaking one with Aurora Deck Lights, a staple in the deck lighting industry. Crafted with 100% die-cast aluminum, you'll immediately notice how solid and substantial these pieces feel in your hands. Unlike many post caps on the market today, the mass and heft of these accessories allow you to feel assured of their dependability and strength. Multi-layered powder coating on this aluminum base creates a weather-resistant item that will endure tough elements and time alike. Aurora offers a variety of models and designs, from low-profile looks to the larger, significant stature of lamppost-style caps. Another great asset of the Aurora brand is their coordinating lit and unlit post cap options that can help keep your deck looking consistent and polished, no matter the level of illumination you desire. With coordinating recessed, stair, and rail strip lights, you can have a complete look for your home. Aurora offers multiple powder-coated finishes for their lights, which makes finding lights or caps that coordinate with your project no longer a problem. Most post caps are designed to fit posts between the sizes of 2 inches to 6.5 inches using the base adapter piece. Aurora also offers round base adapters and surface adapters to mount your post cap onto a large rounded post or flat onto your railing. The lighting collection by Aurora Deck Lighting is in stock and ready to ship to you same day, right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Nina. I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions, comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. We'd love to hear from you.